it's Miss Y from Maker Monday, and today we're going to create a notepad like this. It has a really cool cover on it, and when you open it up, you can tear off the pages one by one. You don't need to buy one from the store. Let's make one right here at home. Here's what you need: a pair of scissors, a flat paintbrush, and some squeezy glue, some water, any kind of binder clips that you have or clothespins, one piece of colorful stiff paper, cardstock, 6 sheets of normal copy paper, some stiff cardboard, and newspaper to protect your surface. We're also going to use a ruler, and you'll need stickers or markers or anything to decorate the cover. First, let's put down some newspaper. We're going to cut our normal copy paper twice. We want it to go in half both ways. Now, a normal piece of copy paper measures 8.5 inches wide. Half of that is 4 1/4. Mark the 4 1/4 spot on both sides, the top and the bottom. Now the sides measure 11 inches. Half of 11 is 5 1/2. Mark the left side and do the same thing, 5 1/2 on the right side. Carefully and lightly connect the lines and cut out as straight as you can. Do the same thing with the rest of your paper. I like to cut them 2 sheets at a time. Now that we have a stack of white paper, we need to cut the cardboard to the same size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Carefully draw the lines and cut it out as straight as you possibly can. Place your stack of white paper onto the cardboard. Make sure that one side is the most even you can get. We want this to stay in place, so carefully put 2 binder clips or clothespins to make sure this paper doesn't move. You can put another one on the opposite side. Now flip the metal parts down so it stays in place. Looks pretty good, nice and smooth. Now it's time to add the glue. Get your brush and your glue ready. We're going to add glue along this edge. Don't be shy with the glue. It kind of needs a lot. Now it's time to spread it around with this flat paintbrush. This will make sure the glue is on nice and even. Make sure to go all the way to the edges, both sides, and on the cardboard. Paintbrush goes in the water, and let's add some binder clips on this edge. Be very careful that the binder clips don't get in the glue. Carefully place them as close to the edge as you can without getting glue on them. They're the perfect shape to squeeze it without squeezing too much. Add as many clips as you can to make sure it's totally flat. Looks like 3 is a good amount. This needs to dry at least 1.5 hours. Make sure it's in a safe place. We're going to come back to it later. While that's drying, let's cut the cover for our notepad. Now the notepad paper is this size, so we know that it's going to be this wide. We need an extra flap at the top that's about 2 inches long. Draw a line across the top and draw a line marking where the paper will be, and let's cut out this whole thing. This extra line means that's where we're going to fold it. Now decorate with stickers, use your markers, anything you want for the cover of your notepad. Fold the top backward on that line that we drew earlier. Give it a nice crease. Once the notepad is dry, we're going to remove the binder clips very carefully, and let's see how it looks. Yeah, pretty good. It's dried clear. The top page kind of fell off, but still has a really good tear. Yeah, that looks nice. Let's add the cover to it. Put the cover on top, and we're going to fold it one more time so it's nice and snug. Give it a very soft fold, and then crease it really well. We're going to add glue to this side only. Be very careful not to go past that one fold. Using a flat paintbrush helps the glue dry better and goes on more evenly. Make sure it's facing the correct way and fold it around to the back and allow that to dry. After it's dry, it's ready to use. What kinds of things are you going to write in your notepad? A shopping list, or you could write a note and give it to someone. Good job, makers! I wonder what you're going to write in your notepad. Be sure to like this video and subscribe so you get to do a new art project every week. See you next time!